Do your dishwasher pods stick together? I live in a very humid part of the country, and mine do, especially in the summertime. So I thought, what if I poured a little bit of baking soda in, kind of shake it up? Would that absorb some of the moisture and keep my pods from sticking together? Here's the results of my experiment. Kim Townsel here. Remember, it's free to like, subscribe, share the video if appropriate, leave a comment below. Let's get started. I use these pellets in my dishwasher because it's really the only thing that works in it. And we live in a very humid area, and this happens. So if I pull these apart, the liquid stuff's going to come out. I'm going to open a brand new one and see if I can sprinkle some baking soda in there to put like a very thin layer over what's in there to see if I can keep it from sticking if it's not stuck together already. These don't seem to be stuck together, so apparently it's something that happens after I'm opening them. I don't have a lot of moisture under my sink. I've already checked for that. This is going to make it super ugly, I know, but I don't want these sticking together. So I'm going to try it. I'm experimenting for us, people. Baking soda's got to be good for it anyway. It's supposed to be a good cleaner. And I'll report back and see how this works. Well, it didn't seem to make much of a difference, so I'll put the rest of it in there. Report back. Now I can see baking soda on it after I put a box this size on there, but I don't know if that's gonna, I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but we'll see. I'm not down to the bottom yet, but it did keep them from sticking together. We've had extremely humid weather for the past week because of Nate, and I've had my doors open because I've been polyurethaning my doors. So it's been pretty humid in the house, and they haven't stuck together. The amount that I put in there, I still have a lot of baking soda left at the bottom. So I guess I will not have to put any in there the next time I add pods to this container. So it worked. I've almost used all of these up, and the baking soda in there did keep them from sticking together. I discovered that I could have used a lot less baking soda. But it's not a big deal because baking soda is a natural cleaning agent, so when I reach down there to get one, I just shake it off. They're not sticking together. So I don't have that sticky residue at the bottom of the container, which I'd rather have the baking soda at the bottom than the pods to break open and stick. So I bought a new container today at the grocery store. So when I use all these up, I will take the baking soda that's in there and dump it into the new container, and they won't stick. This is pretty impressive because I live in the south of North America, the southern part of North America, and we had a super humid season while these were open, and they didn't stick. So I guess it worked. So after all this time, there were only two, and they decided to be Siamese twins. Look at that. So I've got to pop one out and use it tonight. Then I'm going to pour the rest of this. Oh, see, this is why I don't like them sticking together. That one was intact, so I'm using this one tonight. I'm going to take this, dump it in here for the next time. Shake it up. Be good to go for the next time. I'll put the lid back on it and put the camera down, shake it up really well. It did work. I put down the camera, close the lid, shake it up, and you can see that it doesn't have like an excessive amount of baking powder on there. For some reason, it just leaves enough on there so that they don't stick together. But I guess I'll have two that stick together at the end. Maybe, like before. I'll report back in 63 days. This is how much baking soda is left after the second batch absorbed what it was going to absorb. So there's still a lot of baking soda left. I don't think I'm going to have to do this, but maybe once every couple of years. I'm going to open another pack of dishwashing pods to add in here. It has been very effective in keeping the pods from sticking together, which is a problem in my geographical area. We have a lot of humidity. Sometimes when I get down in here, I do pick up a little bit of baking soda on my fingers. It brushes off quite easily, and it's just enough to keep the pods from sticking together so that I don't have that sticky mess in there. The baking soda in the container of the dishwashing pods is working for me. Let me know if it works for you. I'm adding another container of the pods. Oh, those are like LSU pods. Close the lid up, shake it a little bit, and that's probably going to coat them enough to keep them from sticking. Every now and then I'll probably pick up the container and give it a few shakes just to coat the pods. Keeps them from sticking. Works. Thank you for watching my little experiment about the baking soda and the dishwashing pods. Remember, it's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment below, share the video if appropriate. Until next time, take care, and clean dishes are awesome. Bye.